What are you drinking?
Dinner.
Oh.
You want one? I'll go grab a PA.
Oh, no, no. Thank you, though.
Yeah.
I see you got the extra in there, huh?
Yeah.
Yummers. Guess you wanted to cram in as much
Dinner.
as possible, huh?
Did I do something wrong?
You think I haven't seen you? Shoving back 2 dozen cups in the break room. 9 servings on
Dinner.
night.
Hey, man. You know, I need 30,000 calories a day.
Maybe when you actually ran, you did. But now you're just eating your feelings, making us look ridiculous. Fast fucking man, what a joke. It's just what did you say?
Dinner. Dinner.
What did you say?